प्रमोद सावंतान केल्ल्या 2025-2026च्या बिलाक विजय सरदेसायान विविध उपमा दिल्यात. तो म्हणटा सावंतान पिशाक पिपळ दाखयला. ह्या बजेटाक फुडारूच ना. विरेश बोरकारूय बजेटाक बोमाडो अशी उपमा दिता. राज्याचो रेव्हेन्यू उणो जाला, सबसिडी फ्लॅट जाल्या, स्पेंडींग आउट ऑफ बॅलन्स जाला. आयचें मरण फाल्यांचेर धुकल्ला. थोडे भितर सांगपाचें जाल्यार सावंताचें बजेट चिप्साचें पाकीट अशें विजयान म्हटलां. तातूंत खाण कमी, हवा चड भरल्या. आयकात विजयाचें विश्लेशण.
Speaker sir, despite whatever the Chief Minister has tried by way of this almost election year budget, I am confident that Goinkar will prevail and eventually show the way to a Goa that all of us can be proud of. Speaker sir, थोड्या भितर जर सांगपाचें पडलें जाल्यार हे अर्थसंकल्प म्हणल्यार बाजारांत विकते घेतिल्ले चिप्साचे पाकिटा भशेन. आमचो मायकल लोबो उलयतना तो उलोवपाक लागलो चिप्साचेर, म्हणून म्हाका याद जाली चिप्सांची. तुवें स्टार्ट केलें बिचोले आमी आपूण गेलो आनी थंय ते चिप्स करतात आनी ते भायले लोक आयले चिप्साचेर तो उलयतालो. याद आसा तुका उलोवण? सो चिप्साची म्हाका याद आयली. हे बजेट आमचे चिप्सा भशेन. चिप्स कितें बरें हें आसता, भायल्यान सोबीत दिसता, तें पॅकेट बी बरें आसता, पूण फोडले न्ही जाल्यार भितर चिप्स इतल्यो मेळटा उरिल्ली सगळी हवाच. सो हांवें एक चिप्साचें पॅकेट हाडलें पळोवपाकूच. हवा कितली पळय हाजे भशेन तें. स्पीकर सर, जें रीण काडून काडून जें तुमी घडयला पळय तें भरपाकूच पयशे वता. This reflects growing past borrowings, possibly to fund revenue expenditure, not productive investments. This is a classic case of bad debt. Investments, advances and contributions have decreased from 6.1% to 5.5%. This means that the government is cutting back on capital formation, undermining long-term economic growth and asset creation. Subsidies remain flat at 3.5%, suggesting no political will to rationalize subsidies or shift to more targeted, efficient systems. And direct bank transfer be उलयतात पण ते तितले ना तुमचे. This indicates a populist approach, maintaining subsidies regardless of efficiency or leakage. Conclusion, Speaker sir, हे सरकाराचे spending badly out of balance and it is getting worse. कोंकणीन जर सांगूंक गेलो जाल्यार आयचे मरण फाल्यांचेर उडयलां इतलेंच. म्हळ्यार आयचे मरण फाल्यांचेर धुकलप हे सगळें जर ही प्रक्रिया आहा ताका हे म्हणटात. Speaker sir, now let us analyze and compare the budget 2024-25 versus budget 25-26. Revenue receipts show moderate growth in collection, but not transformative. Revenue increases from 21,731.49 crores last year to 22,703.26 crores, only 4.5% growth. Conclusion अशें आहा की सरकार has hardly shown any earning growth and is making no real effort to diversify income sources or improve collections. Government is surely going to increase fees in the coming months. And ह्यो fees म्हणटा त्यो गरीब जनतेक लागतले आनी मागीर मायकल लोबो आमचो opposition leader in the ruling party उलयतालो. स्पीकर सर, हे जर सगळें पळयलें जाल्यार अशें दिसता की राज्याच्या आर्थीक आरोग्य इबाडलां. विकास म्हणटा तो नावापुरतोच आहा. Overall economic health is weak beneath the surface. Real growth is modest. Most headline gains are from inflation and per capita progress is underwhelming for a small service-driven state. Speaker sir, sectoral imbalance is highly skewed. The service sector is carrying most of the growth. Manufacturing is stagnant, hasn't recovered to pre-pandemic levels. Agriculture is barely growing and remains vulnerable. Growth in utilities is driven by investment rather than real access or affordability, leaving the economy over-dependent on services and exposed to shocks in other sectors. Speaker sir, employment and enterprise हातून gap आहा. गोंयांत serious gap between employment and enterprise. There is weak growth in manufacturing and agriculture, means limited job creation for youth and rural population. Economic base is narrowing with few value-added industries or MSME incentives outside real estate and services, and persistent skill mismatches that keep youth unemployment very high. We are second highest unemployed state in the country. या अर्थसंकल्पाचेर आमचो गोंयकार स्वयंपूर्ण विकसीत जातलो आणि अंत्योदय सर्वोदय ग्रामोदय सारखी उतरां प्रत्यक्षान येतली अशें जर मुखेलमंत्र्याक दिसता जाल्यार तो पिशाक पिपळ दाखयता अशें म्हणचें पडटलें. हें एक कोंकणी म्हणणें. तें मराठीन म्हाका म्हणूंक कळना, तें सुदीन ढवळीकारान ट्रान्सलेट करचें. Speaker sir, I would like to conclude that this budget document is a scary budget, one that does not face reality, one that shirks responsibility towards the future of the state. Because as I have said before and want to repeat, that the Chief Minister does not want to acknowledge the debt trap we are falling into and want to continue to borrow on unwanted schemes and projects. Speaker sir, we have to test this budget for the test of Goenkarpon.